This is the Donner Guitar Tuner and Metronome in one. It's a great tool for guitar players. Right now I'm tuning an acoustic guitar, and it should be a little bit flat. So we'll try it here. That's the low E string. As I bring it up to pitch and it lands on, I get a green light telling me that the E string's in tune. A is a little bit sharp. It's very sensitive and very responsive. B string is very sharp. E string is very sharp as well. Should be in tune now. Perfect. Now, second feature, which is great for guitar players or drummers, is a metronome. If you press the mode button on the side and hit start, you can set the beat to what you need. What I like about it is it has a headphone jack on the side, so you can play a click track in your ear while you play a song, or like I said, even a drummer might find this useful to play a click track while he's drumming. The tempo is easy to change by pressing and holding. And what I really like about it is it's got this kickstand, and it's rechargeable with the USB-C charging input there. It's a great little tool for guitar. It's a great gift. Definitely recommend. It's built well. I love the screen. It's very clear. Looks really nice. I think it's OLED screen. And you also have a volume over here, which I didn't mention. You can turn it way down. Definitely great value.
1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.